I have a really special little unboxing today. I am celebrating, well, Mother's Day and a wedding anniversary very, very soon. June 22nd will mark 12 years with my beloved husband. I love my husband so much, you guys. God has been so faithful to me with my husband. My husband is my king under my king. He is a rock in our relationship, and we are definitely, neither of us are perfect. He is so flawed. I'm so flawed, but together we make a great team, and I would not have any other partner in this life aside from him. He is a whole person. I'm a whole person, and together we make a great marriage and great couple, with all of our flaws and with all of our, you know, idiosyncrasies and things like that. But I wanted to unbox a present that he gave me for Mother's Day and our anniversary. He was so kind to order a beautiful bag from my Teresa. He understands now how much I absolutely love luxury bags, and we have done an incredible job in our marriage at talking about finances, not shying away from looking at our finances, and getting together to band together to create a safe place for both of us to show up financially in the relationship. And because of that, we have built a really, I think, a really beautiful relationship, a financial relationship where each person is honored. He is the saver of the family. I'm the spender. And we both complement each other really well. We have not gone into debt for anything. We don't have any debt. We don't use credit cards. We don't buy anything that we can't afford. And we certainly never spend money on something that we cannot afford. So this purchase was very calculated, and it was very much saved up for, and it was utilized with we get monthly budget for like fun things and, like, you know, hair and things like that. And obviously this month we're not going anywhere, so we've used up a little bit of that budget to get me a nice bag for Mother's Day and our wedding anniversary present. So with all this to say, and we're gonna open it up and see what she looks like. So it comes in this beautiful packaging. We ordered it 2 days ago and it came super fast. You open up the package and it's so pretty. Look at that. It's got a beautiful little bow. I'm gonna leave it in here because I'm gonna give it back to Doug so that he can hold it until Mother's Day. So it comes in this Saint Laurent box. Oh my gosh, I'm a little overwhelmed with joy right now. This is the box that it comes in. There's another layer. It comes in this little dust bag. And let's pull her out. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh, there she is. Oh, this is so pretty. I am overwhelmed at how beautiful this is. I got her with, oh, I can't even talk right now. This is a answer to prayer, really. Just overwhelmed with a lot of joy right now. God is so good, you guys, and when God says to come to him and he will give you the desires of your heart, he's not kidding, and he's not just saying that about some people. He's meaning everybody. And I know this might seem like it's, you know, why would you desire to have a luxury bag in your heart? But there's just some things that you just love, and you love the workmanship of, and this is one of the most, like, stunning bags I have ever seen in my life, I think. She comes with a little strap, and what I was really happy about was that she comes with a strap that has different notch holes because I'm 5'1", and sometimes bags could sit really, really funky on me if I don't get something that I can adjust myself. So I'm going to clasp. I think that she's gonna work for me. Let's see. There's one more clasp that I can take her up to. She's in the mid clasp and she's hitting on my hip, like almost on my hip. But this is so cute. I am so pleased with this purchase. It was really reasonably priced for a YSL for Saint Laurent. Let's see the inside. Let's check her out. It comes with a little card holders in here, some card holders for your cards. It comes with a little divide, and then it comes with a zipper right there. Okay, let's see if we can fit my phone. Yep, I have the iPhone. It's old. It's the iPhone 7 or something, or iPhone 8. I don't know, but it's the littlest one. So this definitely fits. I can definitely do a separate video on what I'm gonna be keeping in this bag. Let me know in a comment down below if you guys want to see that, but I will definitely do that. I'm gonna read you the specs of this bag so that you can be informed in case you want to purchase it yourself. It retails for $1,190 US. It did not qualify for any of the promotional anythings in the site. I ended up getting it absolutely quickly. Like I said, I ordered it a couple of days ago and it came today. The bag is a Saint Laurent toy Loulou leather shoulder bag, and it definitely doesn't have like that beautiful, you know, gold chain, which is what I kind of wanted with my first YSL. But for some reason, I just loved the way that it looked on the model, and I thought, I don't have a color like this in my collection. Definitely gonna use it because it's a neutral. I wanted to get hardware that was the silver hardware because I have many of my bags already have the gold hardware, so it just would be nice to have something that is a little more subdued and sort of more sophisticated and elegant and chic. And I definitely wear a lot of neutral colors already, so I knew that this would be an absolute delightful choice to go with my wardrobe. I am so grateful that you guys watched this video. I hope that you delighted in it. I hope that you are inspired and that you feel hopeful, and I'm just thankful that I get to share this part of my journey and this part of my life with you guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much to my husband. I love you so much, Doug. You are an incredible man, and I am just so grateful and honored to be your wife. All right guys, I'll see you next Wednesday. Adios.